welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to share read-only access with an accountant in Monarch Money. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to share a read-only access with an accountant in Monarch Money, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Monarch Money. Once you go there, you need to simply have the access given to the accountant to be the part of Monarch Professional Program, and you must grant them temporary access through your account setting. So to grant access, you need to ensure that you have a paid Monarch subscription. Once you have a paid Monarch subscription, you need to ask your accountant to sign up for Monarch for Professional Program. Now you need to navigate to settings, and once you navigate to settings, you need to simply go and tap open your members as well. Once you tap open your members, you need to select the option to give access to financial advisor and enter your accountant's email address or use the code they provide to invite them. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.